Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Nissan Juke. And this one is really easy. So here's the passenger side of the vehicle, and in front of it is the glove compartment. Underneath the glove compartment is where the cabin air filter is located, that white cover. Once you pull it out, you can pull the old cabin filter as well. So here, you just need to press the stop so it will unlock the cover. And we're going to press this top, it will unlock, it will pop up. This one's the lock on the bottom, and that's our cabin air filter. Just need to pull it out like that. This one's really dirty now. So as you can see, our old cabin air filter is really dirty. Sure, usually I'm changing this cabin air filter every 3 to 6 months. See it? There's a lot of dirt. So now we're going to, there's our new cabin air filter. There you go, there's our new cabin air filter, fully new. And you'll see this small tip. This is the front, and the other back is right here. So we're going to put it back on the cabin air filter, on the cabin. You just need to do it like this, like fold it a little bit. So I'll try to do it by one hand. That's where you're going to put your cabin air filter, like this. Fold it. And this one is fold again like that. Just push it. So, and when you're going to pull it out, just need to pull out this white paper on the front, and you can pull it out easy. So we're going to put the lock again. And the lock on the top. Just push it. Here you go. So that's how you change the cabin air filter on your Nissan Juke. It's really easy, and maybe it'll take like 1 to 2 minutes to change it. I just ordered the parts on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below if you guys are interested in buying it. So that's how you change your cabin air filter on your Nissan Juke. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and put a comment down below what's your suggestion. And as always, thanks for watching.